Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. It is more complex than we could ever comprehend. There is a power of harmony where water finds solutions without forced conflict. It is open to change, to adaptation, and so is the phenomenon of rain. The phenomenon of the simplicity and pureness within which rain cleanses and restores the tormented world underneath it, within which it encourages growth. It is resilient to change and survives different circumstances without the need of translation. It disregards time. It cannot be controlled or tempered. In a world where water played a central role in shaping humans' cultural and architectural identity, humanity is in a state of debit. We consume more resources than nature can provide. We deny the impact of the climate and ecological emergency. Rain is enslaved to carry our carbon emissions and contaminate the land it travels through. We are compelled to act in response to this talent, to learn from its dystopian absurdity of fallacy. Governed by hardness, stiffness, serenity, and calmness, Flintwell's virgin topography craves rain just as much as it craves sunlight. Having a meaningful relationship with an environment in which we aim to conserve heritage, we developed an infrastructure built for purpose. Integrating different needs, rain is invited to run our water capture intervention through artificial stalactites and gracefully fall reborn.